Good morning, students. I hope you are safe and healthy at your homes. Students, today we are going to start our next topic, that is adding watermark, and today date is 10th July 2020. So students, let's start. So what is a watermark? Watermark is a dim or faded impression of an image or text on a paper, which is placed behind the text in your document. So watermark is a dim or faded impression of an image or text. ये क्या होता है? एक dim मीन्स लाइट कलर में, dim और लाइट कलर में इमेज और टेक्स्ट होता है, that we can place on a document. So Word has a gallery of watermarks to choose from, or you can choose your own customized watermark such as company logo for the document. For example, when you are getting certificate marks sheet from the school, as you have seen that there is written California Public School in this way. In this way, California Public School is written, and it is written in a very light shade. So that one is called watermark. So let us learn how to create a watermark. So first step is open the document in which you want to create a watermark. Firstly, we will open the document at which we want to create a watermark. So second step is click on the page layout tab in the page background group and choose the watermark drop down menu. So then we have to click on this page layout tab, and after that there is option watermark. So we will click on this watermark. So when we will click on this watermark option, so multiple watermark designs will open. So select the custom watermark option. So from this menu we have to select here custom watermark. The printed watermark dialog box appears, and you will notice that the text watermark is selected by default. So when you will click on this custom watermark, this one printed watermark dialog box will open. So here we can choose language, on which language we want to write or we want to insert watermark, and then we can write a text, that is which text we want to place on our document as a watermark. Next one, we can choose the text style, that is Calibri we are choosing now. If we want to change, then we can click on this drop down arrow, and we can also change the size and color of the watermark. So choose the language from the language drop down. As I have told to you, select the font size, style, color and layout of the font, and type the text that you want to appear as watermark in the text box. So when you have completed this language, text, font, size, color, so when you have chosen these all things, then you have to click on this apply button. So click on the apply button to check the preview of the selected watermark on the page, and if you feel satisfied with the watermark, then click OK to close the dialog box. Otherwise, choose another watermark for your page. So then you have to click on this apply button, and at last you have to click on the OK button, and when you will click on this OK button, that watermark will be applied to your document. So next one topic is insert a picture watermark. How we can insert a picture in the place of text as a watermark. So first step is select the picture watermark option from the printed watermark dialog box. As you can see from here, there is option picture watermark. So you have to choose this picture watermark option. Then click on the select picture button. The insert picture dialog box will appear. Select the picture that you want and click on the OK button, and select the wash out checkbox to lighten the picture so that it does not interfere with the text. The selected watermark will be applied on the page. So if we want to insert picture as a watermark, So first step is you have to click on this picture watermark, and after that you will click on this select picture. So when you will click on this select pictures, all pictures that are stored on your computer will display, and you can choose any picture according to your requirement. And there is option wash out. You can also check this option, because this option will not interfere your text on a document. So the selected watermark will be applied on the page. तो जो आपने अभी select किया watermark, that will be applied on your page or document. So example of a watermark you can see from the page number 106 from your book. You can open page number 106, 107. Here in all these pages, here watermark is applied. You can see. For example, here KIPS is written. आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे KIPS लिखा हुआ है बिल्कुल लाइट इम्प्रेशन में. सो हेयर वाटरमार्क हैज़ बीन अप्लाइड. यहाँ पे वाटरमार्क अप्लाई किया हुआ है उन्होंने. सो स्टूडेंट, दिस इज all about watermark. So take care students, have a nice day.